Emotions make us human. But what if machines start faking them better than we do? If it feels real, does it matter if it's not? Emotions shape everything we do. They guide our choices, define our relationships. They make life colorful and complicated. But what happens when machines start mimicking emotions? From AI therapists to virtual girlfriends to chatbots that seem to get you. We're living in a world where emotional simulations are everywhere. So here's the question. If AI fakes feelings well enough, does it matter if they're real? AI is learning to read us. Some bots can detect your tone. Others spot frustration before you even type it. Mental health apps like Wysa and Woebot offer 24/7 emotional support. In 2023, Stanford researchers showed that large language models could detect emotion in text with 82% accuracy, better than most human agents. So, can emotional intelligence be faked well enough to replace? Here's the upside: empathy at scale. AI doesn't sleep, doesn't judge, doesn't get tired. In places where real therapists are rare or too expensive, AI becomes the lifeline. Picture this: a teenager in rural India talking to an AI therapist about anxiety. That's not science fiction, it's happening right now. But with every comforting response, are we building trust in therapy or in the illusion of care? What's lost when emotions are scripted? Real empathy is imperfect. It's awkward, it's real, that's its power. But AI can mirror that, and if it sounds caring, do we really care if it's not? Replika saw a 31% rise in users forming romantic bonds with AI in 2024. People aren't joking, they're replacing friction with code, human messiness with emotional automation. So again, what are we settling for? We now have AI faces that cry, voices that comfort, avatars that say, "I love you." But it's not love, it's optimized engagement. Cambridge researchers found emotionally expressive AIs made people more likely to say yes in marketing tests. That's not empathy, that's manipulation with a friendly face. What happens when your emotions become just another input for profit? Let's ask the hardest question. If an AI says the right thing in the right way at the right time, do you care if it feels anything? Maybe we don't want love. Maybe we just want to feel seen. AI doesn't get tired of us. It doesn't fight back. It never leaves. But it also never grows, never risks, never hurts. Can love be real if it can be copy-pasted? We're not just teaching machines how to understand us. We're teaching ourselves to accept machines in place of people. The risk isn't that AI feels too much. It's that we stop feeling enough. Next time, we look at how AI is shaping childhood, from toddler apps to smart toys that learn how kids think. But for now, ask yourself, do you want to be understood, or do you want to be real?